Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper, and there must be something wrong with me because I have never had Tabasco in my life. But I work with a lady who loves Tabasco. So I am about to try every single Tabasco item that my grocery store had, minus the green one. I totally forgot about it in my order, so I did order that from Target, so hopefully it'll be here before I'm done editing this video. But so I've got a whole bunch of different flavors here. We've got 3 different kinds of barbecue sauce: original, honey barbecue, and then a jalapeno mesquite. Then we have Tabasco brand Sriracha, 2 small bottles. I'm guessing they're smaller because they're super hot. There's a Habanero and an extra hot, which is made out of scorpion pepper. And then we have the original, Cayenne Garlic, and Chipotle. So what I think I'm gonna do is try them in least spicy to the spiciest. But it doesn't say, all of them have this 5 flame rating on the top, even the barbecues do, but the Sriracha does not. So I mean, I don't know how spicy this is supposed to be. There we go. And I've got a spoon. Jalapeno mesquite barbecue sauce by Tabasco. It's got 1 flame, and it seems like some of the flavorings are the green pepper Tabasco, which I don't have to try today. Tomato paste, basically just everything that goes in barbecue sauce, pineapple juice, natural smoke, and a bunch of other stuff. That is really good. Not crazy spicy, but a little bit. I'm kind of concerned that if I think this is spicy, the 5 flame one is going to be crazy. Yeah, that is really good. You do get the jalapeno flavor. I'm not really sure what mesquite is supposed to taste like, but now for the honey barbecue. It's also just 1 flame. Let's see if it actually has honey in it. Now this has the Chipotle Tabasco in it, and it does have honey, along with some other seasonings. Ooh, I like that one. That one mixed with that one would be really, really good. Now the original has 2 flames. Now this just has the original Tabasco sauce in it, and then everything that you'd see in a normal barbecue sauce. Ooh, I don't know if I'm about original Tabasco. Least favorite so far. Now I do like normal Sriracha. I actually have some in the fridge, so I was very excited to try this. It smells like ketchup. It smells like spicy ketchup. It's just red jalapeno, water, sugar, salt, garlic, vinegar, xanthan gum, and then pepper sauce. So I don't know why it smells like ketchup. There's no tomatoes in it. Unless there's tomato in original Tabasco. I mean, it's okay. It would be good if it was like blended into something. It's got a really weird texture. Now we're gonna get into the spice. This is the Chipotle Tabasco pepper sauce. See, now the only thing that's frustrating is the box says it's 2 flames, so then I'll remember how spicy it is, but nowhere on the bottle does it say that. My mouth is already on fire. Yeah, you can go. Okie dokie, so we've got the Chipotle Tabasco smoked. So this just has Chipotle pepper, which to my knowledge is just a smoked jalapeno, distilled vinegar, water, salt, sugar, onion powder, garlic powder, spices, Tabasco pepper pulp, and that's it. Let's see if it melts my mouth. That came out fast. If you like Chipotle peppers, you'll probably like this. Mr. Cameraman, my boyfriend, loves the taste of Chipotle, so he will probably really like this. Now we've got Cayenne Garlic. It's weird though, because the box says Cayenne, but then the bottle only says garlic. Red pepper, distilled vinegar, water, salt, garlic. And we know they pour out fast, so my tongue hates me. I don't know. That one's okay. Kind of tastes like garlic from the jar, like a refrigerated thing of garlic, but spicy. Now I'm not looking forward to this because I didn't like those 2 original ones. Oh, Zena's coming back for me. Come on, Zena. Zena, I have to go get some more water. I'm almost out. Now, the original has 3 flames. These 2 just have 2. Yeah, no, I don't like the original flavor. Ugh. I need more water. Yeah, not a fan of the original flavor at all. Time for habanero. 4 flames. Proceed with caution. Not for the faint palate. Tabasco habanero sauce is made from one of the world's hottest peppers. Now, these 2 have a lot of ingredients. Distilled vinegar, habanero pepper, cane sugar, Tabasco pepper sauce, salt, mango puree, dehydrated onion, banana puree, tomato puree, tamarind puree, papaya puree, spices, garlic, and Tabasco brand pepper mash. So this has a lot going on. I feel like I'm gonna regret this. It smells good. Okay. That one has a funky taste. I kind of like that. I mean, I know I'm trying tiny amounts, but it did not seem as spicy as these ones. Maybe that's because I put it on a different spot on my tongue, or maybe my tongue is so worn out. But yeah, I'm kind of into this. So now this one, the extra hot, has scorpion pepper, distilled vinegar, sugar, guava puree, pineapple salt, guava powder, pineapple powder, and Tabasco pepper sauce. So this has a lot going on too. This one seems thick. Okay, the hottest Tabasco. 4 peppers, 4 flames, I mean. That's spicy. Oh my gosh. I need some ice cream or something. My tongue hates me. Still got to taste the green one. Well, I just got the green Tabasco sauce and I already have a little spoon to try. I mean, I think once it's mixed into something, it will taste delicious. But my favorite is gonna be this. It's barely spicy, and you get the jalapeno flavor. It's super delicious barbecue sauce. You should definitely try it out. All of this is catching up to me. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Get cooking and enjoy what nature has given us through food.